Safe Pro X Review 2025 Legit Rescue Tool or Overhyped Gadget. Honest test. Most people get this wrong by assuming small rescue tools are ineffective in emergencies. The surprising truth is that Safe Pro X is a legitimate multi-purpose safety gadget, but understanding its functions is key. The Safe Pro X includes a seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, flashlight, and emergency whistle. You won't believe how compact yet durable it is, fitting easily in cars or backpacks. Users report it worked effectively in test scenarios, cutting seatbelts and breaking tempered glass with minimal effort. Some features like the flashlight are not as bright as standalone models, but the main safety functions perform reliably. The surprising truth is that having a single, all-in-one tool can save critical seconds in emergencies. In conclusion, Safe Pro X is a legit rescue tool. Most people get this wrong by underestimating compact devices, but this gadget provides real-world functionality when every second counts. It's a valuable addition to any car or survival kit.